Do you have an error preventing the Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims.dll from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Get the professional Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims. This library serves as an Internet Explorer Compatibility shim layer, providing redirection and API translation for legacy web-integrated applications running on modern Windows versions. It enables older software, especially enterprise portals and legacy document viewers, to operate despite changes in browser engines and OS APIs. If removed, dependent applications may fail during initialization, with errors such as side-by-side configuration or entry point not found. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Ieshims belongs to the Windows System core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Keep in mind that Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims.dll must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A recommended diagnostic path for Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Internet Explorer Compatibility Ieshims today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.